Well, today I'm going to give you guys a little update on what happened to my 2008 Dodge Resistol. So let's get into it. Absolutely nothing happened to it. It's still home. I'm not getting rid of my baby. So, what the game plan is here, because, you know, my Dodge has earned retirement, but it's still the perfect truck for me to go to work. And yes, that's Micah suntanning in my video. My Dodge has been the best truck I've ever owned. And I don't see why I shouldn't keep using it. It needs a lot of love. Right now I'm just doing rear brake pads because they're down to metal again. I've been through 3 sets of calipers. I have 4 sets of brake pads on the back. And it is what it is. You know, I need all new rotors on this thing. Like I've said many times, the suspension is pretty sacked out in the back. Airbags are blown, exhaust is rotted off. But the plan is, for now, I'm going to drive my truck to work one more time. And then I might just fly home so that I'm not putting a whole lot of kilometers on it. And then I have my Duramax at home. And now I can start ordering upgrades for it. So I did just get the BD diesel grid heater kit for it, so that I can prevent that little nut from falling down into cylinder number 6, I believe it is. And it looks like it's a very time-consuming job. I don't have the time to do that today. So I'm just doing rear brake pads, and we got vehicles to haul to scrap before I go back to work. So let's have a look. It gets really dirty when I'm up north. But we're back to being reliable again ever since I did all the batteries, alternator, new battery connectors. Got my winter studded tires on. Yes, painted my wheels. And the brakes are good. I did the front brakes not too long ago. So I got rear brake pads. At least I'm safe for traveling. I love that I have the canopy to throw all my gear in the back. And then everything else I need to live, because I'm gone for so long, goes in the cab. But no, I am not getting rid of this. I am on the fence right now. I need some time to think about what do I want to do for a build for this. You know, do I want to jack it 8 inches and all that kind of stuff and make it a useless truck, because then I can't really haul trailers the way I normally do? Not really. I bought a entire new 5th wheel setup for this thing, and the mount kit doesn't fit my new Duramax. The 5th wheel plate itself will go back and forth between both trucks, so I might as well beef up the rear suspension and have 2 options for hauling a 5th wheel, I guess. Kind of makes sense to me, because there might be times where I want to take this to work in my trailer that I need when the pipelines begin. I don't want to take my new truck. And if I do an 8-inch lift, it's not going to haul the 5th wheel properly. So I think I'm kind of considering making this going back to rescuing vehicles again. Which means we beef up the suspension, maybe a little bit of lift, but not 8 inches. I might go back to 35-inch tires. Maybe we need a winch on it, because it's such a fun truck to drive. I love this thing. Now we can start looking at, you know, doing all the paint again. I have all the bottom color, you know, it's all full of rock chips. But now I can look at bringing this truck back to life and stop putting so many kilometers on it. When I go to work, it's 2,300 kilometers round trip. If I fly, I'll only be putting on about 380 kilometers in that entire month. So that's a big difference, big drop in abuse on this thing. I don't have to see the winter roads. It's going to save me travel time and gives me more time to play. So no, didn't get rid of my baby. Thanks for asking, Richard. You beat me to it before I could put a video out. I'll never get rid of this. We're definitely bringing this truck back to life. But thanks for watching. Really appreciate all the support. You guys, there's been a lot of new subscribers. A lot of you are old subscribers, the originals. You guys have made this a lot more fun for me. So thanks.